Welcome to ITaffodil, where knowledge and IT blooms. In this video, we're diving into the basics of Java, one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages out there. So if you're ready to start your Java journey, hit that subscribe button and follow along with our upcoming beginner-friendly lessons. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that just means it builds to be readable, flexible, and great for building apps, websites, games, you name it. It's also platform independent, which means Java can run on almost any computers. If you're just starting out, Java is a great choice. Just like in my own experience, it is used in my school and also in other schools. It is also taught. It has a clean, readable syntax, and it teaches you strong programming fundamentals that applies to many other languages. Here are the key topics you should start with as a Java beginner. Number 1 is setting up Java. Install Java and set up your IDE. And for me, I'll be using NetBeans as this is what my school uses. Number 2, your first program, Hello World. This is your starter program. You'll learn how to create Java file, write a simple line of a code, and see it run. Number 3, basic syntax and structure. Java programs follow a specific structure. You'll learn about the main method, curly braces, and how the program flows. Number 4, variables and data types. Learn how to store data using variables like int, string, boolean, and many more. Number 5 is input and output. Understand how to get user input and display output using scanner and systemout.println. Number 6 is operators and expressions. Use math and logical operators to create dynamic programs. Number 7 is control structures. This includes if statements, else, switch, and loops like for loop and while loop. And for today's video, we will focus on the Java's basic structure or syntax. So before we move on to the basic syntax and structure of Java, I will be showing you first on how to create a Java project using NetBeans IDE. You may use other IDE you'd like, but as for me, since NetBeans is what my school uses, we will be using this. However, other IDE works similarly with NetBeans and you can follow along with these tutorials or lessons using your IDE choice, as there will be no difference on its output. So first, you will need to open up your NetBeans IDE. Once it loads, click on New Project, and then I will be using Java Maven with Maven, and of course Java application, and then click Next. On this page, I will be entering my project name. For this project, I will be naming it Hello World. Mind those capital and small letters since Java is case sensitive. Now, after naming your project, click on Finish. I am not sure with other IDE, but with NetBeans, there is a default class that is already entered once you created a project. But for this video, I will be removing it and start with the tutorial. So every Java program has a basic structure you need to follow. Let's take a quick look at this simple program, and don't forget to code or follow along with me. So first is the public class hello world. This line defines the name of your class, and this should match with your file name, which on mine. My file name is hello world, so my class name should be hello world and with the same um, capital and small letters, since again Java is case sensitive. Next is the curly braces. Curly braces group codes block together, and Java uses this a lot to, of course, group each class and methods. Speaking of method, public static void main string args is the main method for this class. That is where your program starts running. This also uses curly braces, and inside this curly braces is the statement which will be printed to your screen as your output. So for this project, I will be using system.out.print ln hello world. As you can see, I use two quotation marks, and inside the quotation mark is where this statement is entered. I entered hello world. Hello world will be the one that will be printed out as my output, since it is what inside the quotation marks. Of course, don't forget your semicolons. Semicolon is so important in Java. This will avoid, and this will also because of your errors. And let's try running it back. Every Java program follows this kind of structure. Don't worry, if it looks a bit scary, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And that's it for today. We've just learned the basic structure of a Java program. This is the key foundation that you'll use in every Java project. And remember, in tech, everyone starts at zero. Let's grow together here on ITaffodil. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beginner-friendly Java tutorials, and feel free to ask your questions in the comments below. See you next week!